I can't give her my 100%, but it's just like, I don't know, it's this vicious cycle. So that's what we're working on right now, and I'm struggling with it, but it's okay, we're gonna make it through. We always do.
Everybody knows, and in most of it's just like 5 types: proteins, folic acids, like vitamin B's, pretty much all the vitamin B's from the food.
It's always trying to figure out every day, like what I need to do with him, like how to keep him tired, tire him out, and it's exhausting. That's what I said.
And the only way I felt I could do that was if I filled my own bucket, and then I was able to be a better mom to her. Right now, our main struggle is definitely eating. She won't eat. She doesn't like textures. She eats a lot like her dad, which is very picky. So I'm hoping to change that today.
My biggest struggle right now is sleep, and I'm sure many of you can probably commiserate with me on that one.